Hello people, this is Sonali, the Melodramatic Bookworm. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Melodramatic Bookworm family. I'm here today to talk to you about two new audiobooks on Storytel India, and these are based on Hindu mythology and have been written by Kavita Kane. Each of these audiobooks feature a female character from the Indian epics and Hindu mythology and bring out facets to their characters that we have not seen before. As you know, Kavita Kane is a reputed Indian writer who usually writes about Hindu mythology. She takes female characters from the Hindu epics and tells their stories in a very raw and honest manner. And these two audiobooks that I am going to talk to you about in this video, which are Storytel originals and have been narrated by some amazing celebrities in Indian TV and cinema. But before we get on with that part of the video, Storytel is an audiobook subscription service in which you have more than 2 lakh audiobooks as well as ebooks in a variety of languages. Storytel India has about 11 regional languages in addition to English, and a whole variety of audiobooks and ebooks that you can choose from. And it has some amazing features that you can use to make your reading experience even better, and their collection across genres, across languages, it's amazing, it's huge, it's wide. The more you keep scrolling, the more you discover, and the more you will fall in love with audiobooks and stories in general. So yeah, that's what Storytel is all about, and I swear by it. I have been using Storytel for more than 4 years now, and I really enjoy the whole experience. And now Storytel is offering a hefty discount on annual plans, where you get a 50% discount on if you take a subscription plan for a whole year at once. The original price is 2,999 rupees, and the discounted price that you will get for the Melodramatic Bookworm family is 1,499 rupees only. So please go check it out, and if you do go ahead and check it out, then the link to that will be in the description box below. Click on the link, follow the pages, and you will get a hefty, huge discount, which, trust me, it's really worth it. Okay, now on to the audiobooks that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. I listened to two new audiobooks which are Storytel originals written by Kavita Kane and narrated by some of the most respected names in TV and cinema. The first audiobook is The Lover, and it has been narrated by Sudhanshu Pandey, who is a very well-known TV and film actor as well. And this is the story of Kamadeva, the Lord of Love, the God of Love, and his consort Rati. Their story isn't something that we see a lot of in mainstream mythological fiction, because authors mostly tend to focus on the main characters. For example, Draupadi from the Mahabharata, or Sita from the Ramayana. And female characters like these have gotten under the spotlight. I know it's just the beginning of this whole era in which you see all of these female characters from mythological epics come to the forefront and tell their own stories, and authors are helping them do it. And in this little audiobook, which is only about 51 minutes long, Kavita Kane has done a great job in showing Rati's character, in showing Rati's strength. Kamadeva, the God of Love, and his wife Rati are at home, and they are spending some time together, and they are talking about how they met and how Rati thinks that she had to make a lot of changes to her own personality, to the way she looked, the way she carried herself, in order to catch Kamadeva's attention. And their conversation peters off into this whole romantic situation. But there's a knock at the door, and now Rati is a bit rattled. She asks Kamadeva to go and see who it is, obviously. And when he opens the door, Lord Indra is standing over there, and he has a task for Kamadeva. And now Rati is adamant that she wants to go with Kamadeva on this task. And this task is that Kamadeva needs to use his arrows of love, which he has 5 arrows, which are mentioned in this book, on Shiva, Lord Shiva, because after the death of his wife Sati, Shiva has been in a trance. He has been meditating and with no care for anything in the whole wide world. But there is a girl called Parvati who is very besotted with Shiva, and now what Indra and the other gods want is for Kamadeva to hit Shiva with his arrow of love and make Shiva fall in love with Parvati. And Shiva, he is meditating, and when he realizes that someone is there, he opens his eyes and in a flash incinerates Kamadeva. And now Rati is absolutely furious, and the way she is talking to Lord Shiva and the way she is demanding him to bring back her husband and threatening him with to do something if he doesn't bring him back, it's something amazing to see. And I was really surprised that to hear Sudhanshu Pandey do quite a good job of it. Like, it's not like it's the best narration in the whole world, but he has done a really good job. He takes us through the story in a very soothing kind of manner, but also he knows where to use which emotion. Like when Kamadeva and Rati are spending time with each other, there's a lot of sensuality and sensuousness oozing from what you're hearing, and I was not expecting that from Sudhanshu Pandey, but he has done it and he has done a good job. And then when Rati is confronting Lord Shiva and demanding he brings her husband back, then the fury in her voice, the absolute determination to make Lord Shiva do the right thing, it's good. It was good to listen to, but I also felt that it was a little raw and rough around the edges. It felt a little disconnected, but other than that, it was a really good experience for me. Moreover, it was a short book and I got through it pretty soon since I listened to it on 2x speed. That's another feature of Storytel India, that you can speed up your listening. If you think that normal speed is not cutting it for you, you can increase the speed of your audiobook as much as you want. I think it goes more than 3x, also 3 times the speed, the original speed. I usually listen to audiobooks at around 2.2, which is like the perfect speed for me. But sometimes if I'm really intrigued, then I even go up to 2.5. But The Lover by Kavita Kane, narrated by Sudhanshu Pandey, a great short audiobook that you can listen to. Yes, it also contributes to your listening goal. So the second audiobook is called The Seductress, and it has been narrated by none other than Tiska Chopra. And oh my god, what a wonderful job Tiska Chopra has done. She is amazing. In every new sentence that she narrates, she brings on that sensuousness, and she has that kind of voice that you just want to keep listening to. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. The Seductress is about Urvashi, who is an Apsara or a celestial nymph in the heavenly court of Lord Indra. One day when she is performing for the heavenly audiences, she sees Lord Indra's son Arjuna, who you'll know from the Mahabharata. He can't take his eyes off of Urvashi. She is absolutely smitten. So when he comes to her, he with singing praises of her and tells her how beautiful she is and that he would like to learn dance, she is like yes. But Indra wants her that love and marriage and all of this is very beyond what an Apsara can reach for. And Urvashi agrees, but she somehow knows, she has seen the look on Arjuna's face and she thinks that he is completely interested in her as much as she is interested in him. So she goes to meet him in his chambers, but Arjuna spurns her. So she casts a curse on him, and the next day when Indra finds out that she has cast a curse on his son, he is absolutely furious. But Urvashi is not backing down. She talks to him, she makes a kind of a deal with him that I will lift the curse or I will sort of edit the curse only if you do this for me. What happens throughout this whole to and fro is the latter part of this audiobook, which I felt was great. I really enjoyed it. This is also about 52 minutes long, and again, when you cut it down to a speed of 2x, It sort of comes down to 26 minutes, which you can finish like in a jiffy. In the first minute or so, I was like a huge fan of Tiska Chopra's narration, and the way she brought out Kavita Kane's interpretation of the Apsara Urvashi, it was simply very enthralling to read. You don't want to your attention to meander during this time because it's so good, and I don't think it will be able to stray because of how captivating Tiska Chopra makes this whole book into a brilliantly narrated audiobook. I really enjoyed this, and I would definitely highly recommend this one. If you're looking for an audiobook about lesser explored character, female character especially, from the Hindu epics, then this is one that you should definitely check out. And these two audiobooks have brought up my toll of reading Kavita Kane books to 4. I've read 4 Kavita Kane books so far. One was The Fisher Queen's Dynasty, and then Saraswati's Gift, which I read earlier this year, which was great as well. And now one is The Lover and one is The Seductress. The Lover and The Seductress are Storytel originals. You will find them only on Storytel, nowhere else. And if you're contemplating getting the subscription to listen to these, I would say yes, I'm going to cheer you on for that. It's going to be an amazing experience. Go get the Storytel subscription, which you are getting for a flat 50% off. The annual subscription, which originally cost 2,999 rupees, you will be getting it for 1,499 rupees only, and that's an amazing deal. Trust me, it's going to be completely worth it. So those were the 2 new audiobooks that were Storytel originals that I listened to on Storytel India. These were written by Kavita Kane, a very reputed Indian writer of mythological retellings and fiction. What did you think of this video? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What do you think of the sound of these 2 audiobooks? What do you think of Kavita Kane's work in general? Are you going to go and get a Storytel subscription now that you've watched this video? If you do decide to go and check it out, link in the description box below. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please like it and share it to spread the word. And if you like my content and would like to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified as and when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep reading, keep watching, and add melodrama to your life.